Hello everybody, welcome to HSA 1102 Week 3 Coursework Review. This week we're going to be going over chapters 12, 13, and 14. Chapter 12 is about lifestyle management, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, setting yourself up as a role model. Chapter 13 is on professionalism. Many of you in week 1, when the question asked you to talk about learning to think like a healthcare professional, provided many examples of acting like a healthcare professional. This week in chapter 13, you will have readings on professional behavior, professional technical skills, professional appearance, things like that. And that will be part of your discussion question, which we'll get into just in just a second. Um, Chapter 14 is on lifelong learning, and we'll talk about that as well. Okay, so for week 3 discussion, the first topic asks you to describe diet, physical activity, sleep, and preventative measures, and how they contribute to healthy living. So this needs to go back to your reading in chapter sorry, I already forgot, chapter 12. So make sure you mention all 4 of these: diet, physical activity, sleep, and preventative measures. Again, if you're off on your answer or it needs a little tweaking or you need to expound upon anything, then let me know. I will let you know by responding to your post. Feel free to list examples of how you do or do not incorporate these 4 aspects of healthy living into your personal life. Response 2 asks you to read and review professionalism in chapter 13, and you will see in the paragraph on professionalism a section on professional behaviors, professional healthcare skills or technical skills, and professional appearance. So for this discussion question, in your own words, based on your reading, tell us what professionalism means to you. Then I want to see for each category 3 examples of professional behaviors, how you plan to incorporate them into your professional life, 3 examples of professional healthcare skills and how you plan to incorporate those into your professional life, and then professional appearance, 3 examples of that as well, and then how you plan to incorporate that into your professional life. So that's what I'm looking for. Again, if you're off track, I will respond to your post and bring you back to where you need to be to look in the book to answer the question correctly and not lose credits for that. Make sure that you are citing and referencing at least your textbook. That's where you should be referring back to, since that's your reading material for the week, and these discussion questions are designed to measure your comprehension of the reading material for the week. So make sure you cite and reference. Also, I noticed for week 2 that you didn't have uh, a lot of you did not complete your discussions at all. This is a good percentage of your grade, so it's very important that you complete these on time. And if I did not hear from you, then your work is late. If I heard from you and we set up a plan to submit it, give you an extension and submit it later, that's fine. But if you did not contact me and we did not talk about anything, or I did not give you an extension, it is late. And you cannot respond to your fellow students because the discussion post has passed. The most that I will allow you to do is answer the 2 topics for that week and get partial credit. I'm not trying to be hard. I'm not trying to be confrontational, but we all have a lot of things going on in our lives, and I understand that. And I said at the beginning of this class, as long as you're communicating with me, we can work together. But if you're not communicating with me, you will get the grade that you get that you earned. All right, so make sure that you are starting your discussions early and that you are posting 4 separate posts over 3 separate days. Any questions about that, please let me know. This week, you have a week 3 Osha assignment. Your assignment from week 2, a lot of people did not complete that as well. So the assignment from week 2 was a precursor to week 3 assignment. It was to help get you ready for this assignment. You can, just like you did in week 2, retake this as many times as you like until you get the score that you're happy with. However, on this one, you must score a 70% or higher to pass the class. So keep taking it until you have a score that you're happy with or is at least above 70%. And there are some instructional videos that you can view as well before taking the assignment if you'd like, or just go ahead and take it. Week 3 quiz, just like always, it will cover this week's chapters 12, 13, and 14. You have 15 questions. You have 2 hours to complete the quiz. At 2 hour mark, it will save and submit your quiz for grading. So um, spend time answering the questions, but don't spend too much time on any one question. If you don't know the answer, move on, come back and answer the ones that you skipped. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Week 4, you do have another written paper. For the week 4 paper, you do not have to submit it to the OWL. I do recommend that you submit it to the OWL, however, so that you get used to doing that and utilizing that tool for yourself, but it's not required. And if you would like to read ahead and find more out on that uh, assignment, please do, and you can go ahead and get started. If you would like me to review it and send it to me, I'll read it and let you know where I think you need improvement or how you're doing. All right, everybody have a good week. And again, communication is key. Contact me if you're having any difficulties in meeting the assignments deadlines, or if you're having difficulties understanding the assignment, and I will get back to you. All right, have a great day.